And not only this platform is not only for the beauty, but beauty with purpose, with brains, and as you can see here with me today, there's a whole Rotary family, and that day also you could see there were 32 of the guests. I was the one who could get 32 guests who were cheering, and that also added a positive moment towards my winning. And coming to my personal thing, like I'm a MBA in HR, and I'm ex-HR of SAP, Wipro, and Thomson Reuters. After leaving my job, when my daughter was born, I had to leave my job, and I said, this can't be a stop. And then I said, when life gives you lemons, make a lemonade out of it. So I tried to, search different opportunities, tried different businesses and all. And today I'm having my own company. I'm the founder of Soil to Sky Enterprises. We are the manufacturers of dehydrated fruits and vegetables, ghee, and herbal formulations. And I'm also a career coach. That HR couldn't go out of me, and that's the reason even I do career coaching. And I have trained around 2,000 plus job seekers. And while I was working, I felt like, there is a need, there's a gap where the children, the parents put in a lot of efforts, paying lakhs together fees and all, and they're not able to, children are not able to get the job. So that moment I decided, I have to do something for these kind of children. So it's always been my motto that work towards creating an impact where I can change lives. It's not only you're making money or you will have a career, but with a purpose. So that's been my motto. And yes, of course, this year I have been associated with Rotary for 4 years, and I have worked for 100 plus service projects into women empowerment, child education, adult literacy, sustainable projects, green initiatives. I'm a green thinker. I say no to plastic. I don't use single-use plastic and all. If you see my bag, always I carry a water bottle where I'll be saying no to the single-use plastic bottles, paper cups and all that. So I was very happy the coffee and tea was served in the steel glass. I just love that. Thank you. I acknowledge the press club over here for that.